Yo, Star, John was Star, me I tell you, put on this thing over my head, you know, cause me I tell you right now, soon was Star, me I kick. Right now, me just a come out of Dunkin' Donut, eat two donut, know what I mean? And right now, me just a go head home, and me live probably about like what, 3 blocks from here, so just a head home right now, and me I tell you, no, me I make you see what I go and still, me them can't tell you, no, me I make you look. See it? Right now, ghost stone we living now. White like a ghost them. Is it base? No. So right now, there me just go walk it to home because me I tell you say nothing up on the road. Although I like 3 blocks me live from me so. John no, watch out. Look upon where me are walking up. Be a white. Ghost stone me in a dog. I tell you no. New York not good again when snowstorm are done. Everybody lucky in no bus, train stop run, everything like one on New York lockdown. So right now me just say, you know what? You go my yard, you know. So I just take time I go and beat it in the snow, walk it home in my clocks and thing. You see it? Watch it. Look on the road. Yeah. Be a man is going right now. You see it? So just I make you see what go on and snowstorm still there. But big and serious still, you know, they can't expect this because guess what? The whole of December and January, well, we're still in a January now, but early part of January, December, the whole of Christmas, seeing the hot. Christmas come like summer. Oh, Christmas the hot. So right now, me I tell you say that I just a calm before a storm. And right now, it's storm chipping right now, and me I tell you say to shake up a whole of New York right now. Nothing now go on the road, nothing up on the road. So right now, if you have a 4-wheel drive, don't come on the road with your car. That me I tell you. So just I'm going to see what I go on. Go on, foot it up, you see it? Be a walk foot up on the road right now, you see it? Cross the pilot so I can go me yard. Blood clot. John no star. So my things that we have to go through to make money for living at this a cold place, you see me? Watch all over here, so. My next 5 stop. Be ice, be snow. I tell you, know, if you don't have a 4-wheel, don't come on the road, you see me? Them something that me I talk about. So all of them brother they want to see you so come out in the summer in them BMW and them Benz, them drop top. All of that have to park, you know. You see me? Later on, I'm reaching me, make you know what I'm going again. You see it? Later.